Ayo, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to continue the series. Sorry it took so long, but I guess it's going to be every 3 months now, or whenever I get around to it, to be honest. But, anywho, today we're continuing the 151 Pokemon series. Today I'm going to make Caterpie out of paper. The materials I have are Elmer's spray adhesive glue. You can get this at Marshall's. I have this, which you can also get at Marshall's. It's called the Colors of the World Premium Project Paper. And it has skin tones, basically. The colors that I'm going to be using are red, 2 pieces of green paper, 1 piece of yellow paper, and 1 piece of black paper. Now it's all construction paper, which you can also get in a bundle with a bunch of different colors at Walmart. Now I have a ruler and scissors and a pencil and a Sharpie. Now we're going to start by making the little antenna on Caterpie's head. So I'm going to time lapse that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished the time lapse and I made the little antenna thing on top of Caterpie's head. Basically what I did is I made like a sausage, and then in the middle I went down just a tiny bit, and it looks pretty decent actually. So far our Caterpie is turning out pretty good. Now I'm going to make the eyes. Stay tuned because I'm going to time lapse that. Also, I'm going to use the Super Duper Extra Deluxe Essential Handbook. You can get this on Scholastic. Now, I'm not doing an ad for Scholastic. I'm just saying where you can get it and what I'm using so I can have a reference for Caterpie. Now, it's alphabetized and it goes all the way up to Gen 9. So let me just look for Caterpie really quick. Oh, here's C. CA, so it'll be like one of the first ones. Yeah, CA. C. Oh, here's Caterpie. So this is Caterpie. It shows you its health, its stats. No, it shows you its stats, how to say it, its imperial height and imperial weight, its metric height, its metric weight, its abilities, its weaknesses, and its evolution line, and the Pokedex number, and 2 different Pokedex entries. So it's really helpful for anything that you need to search up Pokemon. Now, obviously, we're going into Gen 10 on February 27th, 2024. That is the release date for Legends ZA. So this will be outdated by 1 generation by then. So I'm going to use this as my reference. Stay tuned because now I'm going to make the eyes. So I used my book and I put a bookmark and I looked at the image of Caterpie, and so the eye looks something like this. So I made an outline I basically made an oval, and then I made an oval inside that oval, and then I cut it out, but I had black behind the yellow paper, and so I just basically cut out the middle and replaced it with the black pupil. So the eye is done. Now it's going to be a very small Caterpie. Decently small. I don't really know yet. But now I am going to make most of the body. Now this time lapse is going to be a little bit longer, but not that much longer. It's time lapse. Yeah. I'll see you then. Alright, sorry that took so long, but it's drying. The glue is drying right now. This is what it looks like so far. So yeah, it's like about, I'd say 50% done. But we still have to make the tail, the underside, and the 4 little legs. So yeah, I'm gonna time lapse that. So, yeah, it's been really fun, though. Sorry that time-lapse was so long, though, but I will try to make them shorter in the future, but I can't promise anything. So, I'll see you again when I finish this Caterpie. What is up, everyone? So, do not use this. It sucks. It sprays the paper and then it like soaks it and then it stays soaked from what I've seen. So, this is how it turned out. I think it looks pretty good except for the spots. Now, I know those Poke nerds out there are going to say, actually, this circle should be hollowed out and there should be green in the middle, but you try making tiny circles and then cutting them out. I've been doing this for like an hour, so be quiet, okay? But I don't mean to be rude. I've just been working on this for a very long time, so thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Thanks for getting me to 100. Let's try to get to 200 by summer. Thanks for watching. It's been your boy Poke Nerdy, and I'll see you next time.